thanks for joining me today. I've got a quick card I'd like to show you, just using some scraps of marbled paper that I'd made previously. And this you can see on my video on how to marble paper. So I've cut a strip of my marbled paper, and you'll notice that there's a sort of fairly blank area here, and I'm going to use that to my advantage. I've got 160 grams white card, which I'm going to use as landscape format, and I have prepared my card by putting double-sided tape at the back so that it can stick down nicely. You could use just a normal glue if you wanted to, like a dry glue stick, that would also work. But I like just the ease of the double-sided tape. It's not so sticky, and I find that that helps me. Otherwise I do tend to be an all-hands-in kind of gal, and before I know it I'll be sticking all over the place. Right, so to help me get this on as accurately as I can, I'm lining it up with my cutting mat. Sorry, let me move this where you can see it. And I'm just going to look at my spacing here. I want about 1 centimeter up from the bottom. There we go, just like so. And I'm going to stick that down. And what I've done is taken a slightly different color piece of handmade paper that I have, sort of rusty color, stuck some white card on it, and then these are just peel off stickers that I've popped onto there. And I'm now going to lift this off. This kind of handmade paper is slightly more fluffy than regular paper because the fibers stand up a little bit more. They're not compressed through rollers. So you might find that if the tape does start lifting, you just need to really burnish it down or rub it down with a sucker stick or the back of your fingernail, just to make sure that it doesn't fluff up as such. And now I'm going to use this section here to place my sentiment, because that's just plain color. And there we go, a very, very simple card to make in no time at all. And I'm very happy with that. I've used a lovely background which I think is interesting, it's different, and I hope that you enjoy that. Okay, join me for the next video coming up soon. Bye.